Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Isaac Angel and you're watching Where Are We Going? On today's episode, I will show you, here's a quick solution for the Itasca Viva or Winnebago Trend over the cockpit cabinets that won't stay up. Stay tuned and we'll get to it. Infamous cabinet up front. There's two of them, as you know, one on the left and one on the right above the cockpit area. And when you open them, there's nothing to hold it open. So when you open them, they're just gonna stay in your way and annoying, as you can see. However, this one is staying up. And it's a very, very, very simple and easy fix. A tension spring that holds it up, and all you need to do is bend this and it's shut. And when you need to open it again, voila. So all you need for this project is basically a set of two tension springs, 8 1/4 size long, two pieces of wood, 5 inches long, probably a half an inch or an inch deep, total 6 screws, and that's it. And once you complete this, it takes 10 minutes for both of them. You have hassle-free, no more in your way kind of a cabinet doors that finally stay up, so you can actually go in there and find what you're looking for without the door being in your way. So if you like this video, please like and comment, and if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so with the click on that little bell so you would be notified every time I release a new video for you. So thank you for watching and see you soon.